Basic Scan ImageRUNNER Advance. Scan and send, and you will notice here on the left there is an address book. What you can do is you can store email and folders, destinations in here. The way that you do that is through Register Edit, Register New Destination, and then you would choose the email, and then you would go about putting the person's name. And then you touch the email address and you could enter their email address and hit OK. To go back to your main screen, just close out and then hit cancel. Over here on the right are your different options. So right now this is defaulted to scan in color and also black and white. If you would like to choose a different setting, just touch. You will have your auto color black, and you will also have your option of black and white. Right now it's set for 300 by 300 DPI. To adjust that, you can go up 400 by 400 or 600 by 600, and you can also go all the way down to 100 by 100. 300 by 300 DPI on the Canon is the most common used. Auto size, it's going to auto detect, but you can also go under auto size and choose the area that you want to scan on the glass, or you can go as far as under custom. You are able to put in, for example, a 4 by 6 photo, put it face down on the glass, and then you could type in the 4 inches or the 6 inches by 4 inches, and then it would only scan that area of the glass and then select OK. PDF compact. Right now this is what it is defaulted to. You also have the option of JPEG, which is good for images, TIFF, and you can also go under PDF and choose OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, which makes the text searchable. What that will do is when you scan it to your computer and open it up, there will be a search box at the top. You type a word in and it will highlight it throughout that document. Another option that you have under the format is called Divide into Pages. So right now, if that is not turned on, you put in 10 pages, it scans it to your email in the form of one document 10 pages long. Choose Divide into Pages, and it will be 10 separate attachments, 1 page apiece. And then again, you would choose OK. Your next option here is two-sided. So if you have a document that's going through the feeder that is two-sided or off the glass, select two-sided. This is just asking you how the lettering is, if it's book type or calendar type, and then it will scan both sides. The other option that you do have is file name. Touch the file name, and this is where you can choose to name the file before you scan it to your email. And then again, you would hit OK.